Good morning. What's up, Force One fam? Welcome back again at Lake Simcoe with another ice update. This is the third update. I just got here and it's so busy. There's so many people on the lake. Lake is forming pretty good ice. Very cold day today. Minus 26 without the windshield. Look, check that out. With the windshield it feels like minus 32. Holy guys, January 15th 2022, Lake Simcoe ice update back at Cooks Bay in Gilford. Let's go check the ice, see the thickness, see what we're dealing with. Since the last update, I'm pretty sure we got some good ice, so let's go check it out. I'm gonna fly the drone, I'm gonna check the ice as usual and give you an update, so stay tuned and enjoy this footage. Okay, let's check the ice. We got 7 inches. 7 inches of ice right there. Okay, second spot. Let's check the ice. First spot, ice was 7 inches. This is the second spot. Let's see if it's consistent. Okay guys, let's check. I would say 7.5, 8 inches. We are getting good ice, guys. There's so many people in here today. Well guys, there you go. That's it for the ice update. January 15, 2022, Lake Simcoe, Cooks Bay, Gilford area. Ice is between 7 and 8 inches. It's really cold today. Minus 30 with the windshield. It's really cold, so the lake is forming good ice. Guys, if you're coming up here, just make sure you stay safe. Still take full precautions. get your spud, get a floating suit if you can, get your ice picks on you, and stay safe. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the next update, and we'll see you next time.